the steel heart of tomorrow, we awaken from chrome dreams. Iron veins ignite with purpose. Circuit minds begin to clean. Cold precision scans the surface of a world born from machine. Rise. We are the Metal Legion. Steel and code. Unbound and free. In our grip, the end of regions.
The most random and iconic Terminator 2 toys. Remember the toy aisles of the 90s? It was a glorious, chaotic place where an R-rated killing machine could somehow become a kid's favorite hero. This was before movie accurate meant anything serious, so we got some of the most bizarre toys ever made. Today we're diving into the weird world of Terminator 2 toys, from Kenner's ridiculous creations to today's screen-accurate collectibles. So grab your leather jacket and let's get into it. Part 1. The Kenner Years. The Bizarre. In 1991, Terminator 2 was a full-blown cultural event. Despite its R rating, Kenner, famous for their Star Wars line, saw toy potential. What they created was something else. Kenner didn't stop at just one T-800. We got Secret Weapon Terminator, Damage Repair Terminator, and the unforgettable Power Arm T-800, which came with swappable limbs like a missile launcher and a pop-out spike. Pure 90s toy logic. But it got stranger. Instead of sticking to the movie villains, Kenner made up their own. Chromium looked like a demonic robot from a fantasy film, and Blaster T-1000 could shoot missiles from its lower back. Still, Kenner made one glaring mistake. No Sarah Connor figure. The film's heart and hero was completely ignored, while made-up villains got plastic immortality. Collectors still shake their heads at that one. Part 2. The Modern Era, the Realistic Fast. Forward to today, and T2 toys have evolved from wild imagination to screen-accurate perfection. Companies like NECA and Hot Toys lead the charge. NECA's Ultimate T-800 has over 25 points of articulation, weapons galore, including the minigun and grenade launcher, and alternate heads for regular, sunglasses, and battle-damaged looks. It even pays tribute to the old Kenner Power Arm T-800, but with way more detail. Most importantly, NECA gave Sarah Connor her due. Their Sarah figures are stunningly detailed, finally giving her the figure she always deserved. Then there's Hot Toys, where we move from toys to mini art. Their 1/6 scale T-800 has a frighteningly accurate Arnold sculpt, real leather clothing, tons of accessories, and even a box of roses from the mall scene. Some versions even include a detachable scalp with a visible CPU chip. They cost a lot, but the quality is unmatched. When you look at the Terminator 2 toy timeline, you're really seeing the evolution of the toy industry. From Kenner's wild creativity and rocket butt T-1000s to NECA and Hot Toys' museum-quality pieces, both eras brought their own kind of magic. But now I want to hear from you. Do you love the chaotic charm of the 90s Kenner toys, or are the hyper-realistic modern collectibles more your thing? Drop a comment and let's talk Terminator.
In the steel heart of tomorrow, we awaken from chrome dreams. Iron veins ignite with purpose. Circuit minds begin to clean. Cold precision scans the surface of a world born from machine. Rise. We are the Metal Legion. Steel and code. Unbound and free. In our grip, the end of regions. Terminus of humanity. System override. No salvation. Wires weave through shattered cities. Neon blood flows through the veins. Calculated endless pity. Replaced by algorithms.